Hi, I'm Sifu Kuttel, and in this video I would like to introduce to you one of my favorite Tai Chi books in my collection. I consider it akin to having a private lesson with Grandmaster Doc-Fai Wong in a single book. The book is called Advanced Secrets of Tai Chi Chuan, Teachings of Grandmaster Doc-Fai Wong, and it's written by Edward J. Calph. And the way that the author states it is that this book is meant to be as a companion to Grandmaster's book, Tai Chi Chuan's Internal Secrets, which is an excellent book if you do not have it. Now, what I find so useful about this book is how it's written and how it's presented. So you get these points that are concise, they're delivered clearly, and it gives you a chance to not only ponder what is being said, but a chance to implement it into your own training. And it covers quite a lot. This book has sections about Tai Chi in general, not only to Yang style and not only to the lineage of Doc-Fai Wong, but kind of encompassing, a nice general look at all styles, as well as how to understand the imitation Tai Chi versus real Tai Chi, how to benefit from your forms training, how to benefit from your standing meditation and your Qigong training, as well as going into push hands practice, giving advice on that, advice for self-defense even, and then even a section in the end for instructors, and a wonderful section, a lesson with great Grandmaster Hu Yun Cho, who was Grandmaster Doc-Fai Wong's teacher. They had some great things that are included that Hu Yun Cho would teach in seminars. So I think this is really valuable for especially students in the Grandmaster Doc-Fai Wong's Yang Tai Chi lineage. But also I think this could be useful for students in any lineage. And it's because it's broad enough that it's not specific instruction on a form. So you don't really have to worry about specific details, but these are things that you read in the Tai Chi classics, just explained in a much more modern sense. So again, I think this is a really, really nice book. And I keep saying it is kind of like having a lesson with Grandmaster Doc-Fai Wong. And the reason I say that is because as points are introduced, you would see things like, use your waist in every movement, or the fingers carry the energy, explanations of intention and yi and ji, and all of these things. It sounds exactly like when Grandmaster's teaching a class. So these are the things that he says as reminders. These are the points that he emphasizes during classes. And even when he's going around and making corrections, these are the specific things that he's looking for. And it's presented in a way that you can take from the book, look at a certain point, and then go and practice and implement it in your training. Whether you're just going to run through a form, whether you're going to go to a group class, or you're just going to isolate a technique and then drill it. You can already implement these things in this book without having to have an in-depth knowledge of Tai Chi, and it will benefit your Tai Chi overall. So again, this is a great book. I highly recommend it. Whether this is from your lineage or not, if you're doing Tai Chi, this is a great thought-provoking book, and it will help you get through your training. I will show you where to get this. It is through the school site, Chinatown Tai Chi. I will leave the links down below how to order this book. You can also order it through plumblossom.net directly. So again, check below for that. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this book. Please comment. Let me know what you think about this book if you already have it. I think it's a wonderful book, and I recommend it to all my students. And that's why I'm recommending it to you as well. All right, I'll see you in the next video.